How to upload story on Instagram from MacBook. Hey everybody, in this video, I'll show you how to upload story on Instagram from MacBook. To start, search for Instagram on google.com. And then once you find it, go to instagram.com. Just click on the first link. In here, wait for the website to finish loading. The first step is to click on the three dots on the upper right and then go to More Tools. Then click on Developer Tools. Once you're here, follow the settings that mentions iPhone 12 Pro. As you can see, we are now in a mobile version of Instagram. Now click on your story. First, delete it if you already have one, so we would go back to step 1. Once you're done deleting, wait for it to load. Now the next step is to refresh the website. Once it is done refreshing, you will see a plus your story. Just click on it and then locate the photo or video that you want to add to your story using your MacBook. Once you're here, on the bottom side, you will see an option that says plus add to your story. Just click on it and then wait for Instagram to finish uploading. Now it says your photo was added. That's it. Thank you very much for watching. Hopefully you got some value in this one. And as always, leave a like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you on the next one.